Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing a 100-foot air compressor kit. Let's see what's inside the box. Here we have our 100-foot 3/4 inch tubing. You can see here. Alright, let's see what's in the included accessories box. Here we have our installation instructions. Along with our parts list. Also included is our tubing cutter. Show you what that looks like. Alright, pretty straightforward. Insert tubing, cut to the desired length. Alright, next we have our bag of tubing clips, 20 pieces. And here's what they look like. Alright, here we have 3 pieces of 3/8 inch brass valves. Here is our included bevel tool. For sizes 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch diameter. Here we have 2 pieces of 3/4 inch T tube fittings. So here's our T fitting. Also included are 5 pieces of replacement O-rings. Here we have 3 pieces of 1/2 inch plugs. And here's what they look like. Next we have 3 pieces of 3/4 inch to 1/2 tube fittings. So our 3/4 inch side, our 1/2 inch side. Next is our 1 piece of 3/4 inch to 3/4 inch fitting. So 3/4 inch to 3/4 inch. And here are our T-blocks. There are 3 pieces of this included. Here's 1, 2, and 3. That's what they look like.